Why is the coronavirus spreading so fast in India? Why is the high recovery rate and low death rate in India? After the first COVID-19 case was recorded on Jan 30 in Kerala, it took 110 days for the coronavirus tally to touch 1 lakh mark. In contrast, it added 4 lakh infections in the next 39 days, with a record spike of nearly 20,000 cases in a day. India's COVID-19 tally mounted to 5,28,859 on Sunday, and the death toll rose to 16,095 as the country registered almost a lakh cases in the past 6 days. India is the 4th place in global COVID-19 tally after the US, Brazil and Russia. Sunday is also the 5th consecutive day that coronavirus infections have increased by more than 15,000. How are states faring? 8 states Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Telangana, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal contribute 85.5% of active case load and 87% of total deaths in India. Maharashtra, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. What is the reason behind coronavirus spreading so fast in India? India's number grow again as daily testing rate could be the reason, as testing per day rate is 2 lakh. There could be a large number of factors involved. Medical experts have pointed out that the overflow in COVID-19 testing, now available more extensively at a reasonable price, could be a major factor. According to the Indian Council of Ministry Research, a cumulative total of 79,96,707 samples have been tested up to June 26, and with 2,20,479 of them being analyzed on Friday, the highest in a day since the beginning of pandemic. What is the reason behind low death rate in India? At least 73% of coronavirus deaths are linked with comorbidity issues, the health ministry said. Timely detection of cases and proper clinical management are the reason behind such low mortality rate in India. The chance of someone with symptomatic COVID-19 dying varied by age. For those aged 15 to 44, the fatality rate was 0.5%. though it might have been as low as 0.1 or as high as 1.3. For people 45 to 64, the fatality rate was also 0.5%, with a possible low of 0.2% and a possible high of 1.1%. For those over 64, it was 2.7%, with a low and high estimate of 1.5 and 4.7%. The chance of serious illness from coronavirus infection in younger people was low. The scientists estimate a fatality rate of 0. Dr. Monica Mahajan, Director of Internal Medicine, Max Healthcare, told news agencies, "It is important to understand the reason for the exponential rise in cases. The numbers are doubling at such a fast rate due to factors such as a high reproduction number of the virus. Means the number of cases on average an infected person will cause during their infectious period." She said, also with the lifting of lockdown norms, people's behavior has changed again as they are not acting as responsible as before in the terms of social distancing, and testing has become more liberal. What is the reason behind high recovery rate in India? The number of people who have recovered from COVID-19 disease in India is now more than those who are still sick. The Home Ministry latest update showed that 3.21 lakh people had recovered from the disease. It is no surprise that with the passage of time, the number of recoveries will progressively rise, even as a percentage of total infection in the country. As discussed earlier, about 59% of everyone who has been infected have recovered. This percentage will increase progressively. In fact, if the overall fatality remains what scientists accept it to be, below 1% eventually, then by the time the epidemic comes to an end, more than 99% of infected would be expected to have recovered. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching.